Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the RAM upgradation from 16 GB to 32 GB. So this is the Dell laptop model Latitude 5500, and here you can see the configuration. It is the configuration with Core i7 V Pro 8th generation. Let's get into the video. So here you can see the model Latitude 5500, and this is the RAM which we are going to upgrade. So it is a RAM with a 16 GB and DDR4. Now we are removing the back case screw. So now we are going to remove the back case. So be careful while removing the back case. So now we are disconnecting the battery cable. So you can see the RAM slots here. Only one RAM is there. So you can see the configuration. So now we are going to upgrade the RAM. So just reconnect the battery cable and fixing the back case. So fix the back case correctly and fix the screws. Okay, now we are going to check the RAM configuration in the BIOS. So while by pressing the F2, so we can go to the BIOS. Okay, here you can go to the BIOS setup. So now we can see the memory installed in the option called system information. So here you can see the memory installed 32 GB. So you can see the slots, two slots here, A and B, 16 GB and 16 GB as well. Here we can see the 512 GB SSD hard drive in this laptop model 5500. Thanks for watching our video. Have a good day. Bye.